Atreus, where have you been?
Peeing?
Atreus, we are planning our next move.
Oh.
What did we miss? What the
Where are we
heck?
going?
Alpha, I'm with the elves.
What is going on? Oh! I was playing as Kratos this whole time. To remember what it's
Excuse me,
called.
sir. Mind if I take a little peek at you?
Your tree, huh?
Yes, my.
What? Kratos is so confused. Now that we don't know.
Alpine. It's been so.
What?
Very clever.
So it can reflect things. Love that it's still that homing attack. That's so... Hello everyone. I hope you're enjoying this video. I've been having so much fun making all of these videos for you. And any support you can give to help further make more and better videos for you all goes a long way. And that is as simple as clicking that subscribe button, hitting that bell icon to get notified when new videos come out. Also, if you really want to, you can head down into the description below of any of my videos. They have all the links to my social medias for the channel and even some of my personal stuff if you want to see what's going on in my life. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. It really helps the channel go a long way, and I appreciate all of your support. Thank you guys so much, and enjoy the show. But I love that it's still that homing attack. That's so cool.
Freya's brother. How was he involved?
Long ago, Freyr of the Vanir travelled to Alfheim, where he discovered a once beautiful land devastated by war. Using his divine powers, he set about cultivating a tenuous peace among the elves.
Uh-huh. And... oh. Hi.
Did you mention how that piece fell apart as soon as he left?
I was getting to it.
You hear that?
Oh no. That's enough, please. You don't need to do this.
We don't want to hurt you.
We do not have a choice.
Yeah. Oh, ow.
We're the ones who freed the light.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, that'll be fun to get. I'll have to practice that.
Behind!
Boom. I'm not even using my accent. Well, okay, I'm using my axe for the...
Why are you fighting us? We helped you last time.
Atreus, focus.
Yeah,
I hate Alpha.
I hate Alfheim. Oh, man. I don't need my weapons to fight you guys. Except for when I use my finishers, obviously.
Most unfortunate.
They attacked us.
More will follow once we're inside. Is there truly no other way?
Not like they're giving us much of a choice.
True.
So your father said. I'm just naive, I suppose.
No, just an optimist, old friend.
Yeah, it's true. That's true. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Except for the fact that you might die.
Tribute to Freyr made by the elves. He must have left it here when he raced back to Vanaheim.
What is this?
A charm to ward off nightmares. In this case, Freyr's. Well, knowing the elves, there are probably more tributes to find.
Interesting. Okay, so we don't have the shenanigans to do that. It's got the swirly-doo magic, which I don't have. I don't got no swirly-doo magic. Wow, yeah, this looks so different than last time we were here.
It's so tall. We came in from the top last time. Didn't realize all this was even down here.
It's an older gate, built to promote cooperation between the elves, but it looks like it's been sealed for some time. I'll go first. Atreus, let me know when I've reached halfway.
So, what's happening right now?
This seal is meant to represent the balance of the realm when Freyr was here. Light and dark working together in harmony. How's that look, Atreus?
Good, I think. Father, now you go.
Oh, that's so cool.
Unfortunately for Alfheim, Freyr couldn't accept his sister's decision to marry Odin. He returned to Vanaheim and left this realm to its fate.
To be fair, the Aesir did set him on fire that one time.
Ooh. See, that's one of those, like, at least from what
The door
I've
should have
read.
opened. Are you sure it's balanced?
Yeah, but the realm isn't. Not anymore. Father, try pulling it the other way.
Oh, yeah. We need more light.
Yeah. And Tyr, you keep pushing forward.
How much more? How much more? Oh. Because whatever the balance of the realm
Fine
is,
work, Atreus.
whatever the realm of the balance is, that's the
Shall we?
answer. So it's like a changing password almost. Because in the readings that I was doing, he was, everyone loved him, and so like he lived happily in Asgard.
What's a Dark Elf statue doing in the Light Temple?
That's just how they looked before the division.
The division.
Yes. The elves weren't always split between light and dark, you know. This statue depicts the elves before the war, before they discovered the power of the light.
Interesting. We're gonna do fun, goopy elf puzzles, dark elf puzzles. I guess not. We're gonna be doing all light elf puzzles.
Solid light. Guess some things
Yes.
don't change.
The stone briefly imparts a bit of light to your axe.
That's useful.
Whoa, that was cool. Have no idea what just happened, but it was cool.
What's that sound?
No sense in spoiling the surprise.
Spoiling the surprise. What do you know that we don't know? What do you know that we don't know? Mimir?
Whoa. It's the light. Ow.
Oh no.
I've never seen the Lake of Souls so volatile.
Aye. Fimbulwinter, you reckon?
Of course, making the light unstable.
So the base of this light well, that's the Lake of Souls.
Yes. After the creation of the 9 realms, fallen souls began to gather down in those waters.
When the elves discovered its potential, they built this temple to harness that energy. A smashing success, to say the least.
What is
Many
that?
of them became addicted to their newfound power, and thus the Light Elves were born.
Wow. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. That is good to know, guys. Holy cow. The Light Elves and the Dark Elves were once one people. Let's see. Oh, if I stand over by Tyr, though. Hold on. Yeah!
Well done. Though I imagine our Light Elf friends will be less than pleased.
Oh, probably. Probably. They're like interior decorators, and I'm like a wrecking ball. You know what I mean? Oh.
Speaking of light elves,
Let me try talking to them again. They
Best
may...
just to let these two do their thing, brother.
whoa, was that a bomb?
Okay, there's a time, so I have to be faster than that.
Behind you!
Ow! Oh yeah, I forgot I have a tower shield. I can just block damage for days. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Woo! You thought you could get me, but not today.
On your right!
Ow. Oh. Ow. Yeah.
Find your way out!
Ah, you failed, little elf. Oh boy. Come on, hit me. Hey. Boom. Boom. Get some health back. So can I break this?
Poor soul.
Nope.
Weird. They came across some light bridges, but now the bridges are gone.
I have an idea to get us across.
Does it involve me using my...
Lucky for us, swearing off violence doesn't mean he can't disfigure some architecture.
This way. Shrine awaits.
Wow, alright. We're just jumping around like crazy.
Kratos, where are you going?
He's just looking around. He does this sometimes.
Ah, a curious. Carry on.
Oh, man. You know, it's also fun being able to punch chests open with your hand. Because, you know, you can do that.
The temple looks so different than I remember. It was all broken and covered in hive stuff last time we were here.
These elves use Alfheim's light to enhance the temple, and themselves by the look of it.
They definitely look more dangerous than last time.
True.
Oh, those were just the foot soldiers. They'll get more dangerous the further up we go.
Great.
Yeah.
The shrine is this way, Kratos.
Yeah, he knows. We just like to be thorough.
True, I do. Look at this. Lore? Boom. Okay.
Ugh, these things smell awful.
Yeah. There we go. Now can I get it? Now can I get it? There we go. Now can I get it? Now can I pick this up? Now can I pick it up? Now can I pick it up? Atreus. Now can I pick it up? There we go.
Anything interesting this way?
Bifrost Bridge. Probably something cool down this way. Like a chest. Boom! One chest. Light runic attack. Hades Retribution.
We explored.
A bomb which detonates after brief delay. Interesting. Hades Retribution. Oh, that's kind of cool. I will stick with the Flames of Anguish for now. But that is cool. Alright, so nothing up down there anymore. I'm sure there's a way through there. That sounded like there was a monster. Oh. Hold on. Puzzles? Puzzles? Oh. Hold on. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that is so cool. I love that. That is so fantastic. Okay, let's climb back up. And then we'll continue on the path.
So if these elves use the light to build doors and make themselves stronger, what do the Dark Elves want with it?
To return it back to its source. To them, the natural resources of Alfheim are sacred, none more so than the light itself.
Aye, the Light Elf's success came at a terrible price. Alfheim's once lively desert withered into a storm-ridden wasteland soon after the creation of this temple.
I feel like this is the way I'm supposed to go.
The Twilight Stone didn't give you the right angle. Are you certain?
Oh, I need to come up here to do the angle. Okay. Gotcha. I'm supposed to come up here.
Mimir, do you understand these poems?
Oh, there's always meaning if you look hard enough, brother. It's all in what you bring to it.
That's cool.
More light elves ahead. I'll handle this.
Maybe that's not a great idea.
Uh-oh. Tyr.
Oh there, friends. Salutations. We mean you no harm.
Tyr! Get back!
I have no idea what just happened. No idea what just happened. Okay. Don't really know what that's doing, but...
Behind you, brother!
Yeah! Time to use the blades on you. It's been a while since I've used the blades, and I kind of forgot. Oh! That's what we're talking about. Ooh!
Maybe you can throw those back at them.
Look, all I know is melee, baby.
Behind you! Incoming!
Boom, melee for days. Whoa, okay, here we go. Boom.
Watch your right.
Boom. Woo.
At least I tried.
I get it now. Why they keep fighting. Dark elves want the souls in the light left alone. The light elves want to keep using them.
That's the long and short of
Yeah.
it. Aye.
So then, which side is right?
Rarely is it so simple.
And not our place to say. This is an elven conflict.
I said as much the last time we were out.
Right.
That's true, you did say those words. You did. Alright, so there was a chest over in that direction.
They sure made a lot of these light doors.
Fortifications.
Aye. None too eager to let the dark elves run the roost again.
True, true. Don't mind me, don't mind me. I'm just looking around, that's all. You know, just looking around. Let's see. Ooh, what's this way? This is probably how we get to,
Hey, that looks interesting.
It does, doesn't it? Interesting indeed. Uh-huh. Interesting. Okay, okay. Okay, here we go. What do we need to do? We need to lower this?
I don't think that's the way up to the shrine.
We know.
There's a chest over here.
Oh, I see it now. Forgive my impatience.
Oh, tricky.
Hold on, we'll figure this out. Go down one. Go down one. Go up one. Hold on.
There's gotta be a way to get your axe behind this grate, right?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
I don't mean to speak out of turn, but the white marble wall behind that grate. Perhaps your axe can reach it.
I see it. Boom! Got it. I haven't done a puzzle like that in forever.
It worked. Thanks, dear.
My pleasure.
Let's see. Oh, there's this chest. What about, there was another one I thought. I thought I saw a red chest earlier. Hilt of Graham. It's the Dragon's Bane Graham. Oh, whoa. Okay.
Oh no.
Boom. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna shoot things. Boom, and axe them. A question. Oh. He's gone. Well, that was easy.
Back to it then.
Alright, now, what about this? Okay. Oh!